Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a Tree Reviews, and today we're unboxing BoxyCharm. This is the August box. It is now September, unfortunately, because I'm terrible. This is where we're at in life. The summer was crazy. I feel like I'm always saying life is crazy. I have 4 kids. I'm involved in way too much. I'm involved in way too much. And videos are like a thing that you have to prep for. You have to be ready. Like, it's just harder than you'd think. And I don't want to look like crap. And if I look like crap, people are always like, you look like crap in this video. Well, thanks. I'm busy. You know, this isn't the only, I don't just sit around and make videos my whole life. Anyway, I'm venting. It's raining. It's flooding in my area. My kids get out of school early. Everything's canceled for the evening. After I make these videos, I'm going to make dinner. And then I'm just like going to chill. I'm going to do 0 nothings. All of that. Sounds good to me. You know what I mean? Like, you ever just be like, I need to breathe. And then when I'm breathing, I'm like, wait, no, I need to be doing something because this is uncomfortable. Anyway, BoxyCharm is a monthly beauty box. Their base box is $25. They do have a premium box, which is $35. And then, so this is the base. If you subscribe to base, you have the option of upgrading seasonally, which is once a quarter, which is once every 3 months, or 4 times a year, to what they call the Boxy Luxe, which is $50, has many more items, very, you know, much more, very much more. Anyway, we're gonna get in here. We're gonna start talking about the products. We're gonna start trying them on. I don't know, we're not actually, maybe I'll swatch them on my hand. I ain't trying them on in a video. I don't have the space for that right yet. We're not there yet. Anyway, I think that's everything. I do want to say, I don't know what's in here. I usually peek. I have not even had a chance to do that with this box. It's just sat there. Like, life is just crazy. Life is really crazy. I have so much I want to say to you guys, and I have like some upcoming videos that I want to talk about, like just life in general. Once we're maybe out of this pandemic, we're never going to be out of this. I don't think COVID is ever going to go away. It's always just going to become part of our life, and it's just going to be something like the flu that we kind of get used to. But like once the sorry, my fly's kind of down. Once we're out of like pandemic mode, I want to say, you know, like life got really crazy. It's still really crazy. And I don't know. I know my mother-in-law said to me one time, I was like, when things slow down, she's like, they're never going to slow down. You know, you have 4 kids. Like, life is just going to be like this. And I'm realizing she was so right. And the older they get, you think you do less, but then you take on more as an individual. And you overcome it. You're like, oh, I want to help. I want to do that. I want to do this. I want to help. I want to do all these good things. Anyway, longest intro ever. Let's get in here. I'm actually really excited to see what's in here because I don't know. We're going to find out together, all new to both of us. So here it is, BoxyCharm Go All Out box. And then on the back here is our variation, which is C2108015/BA. And then all the items are listed with their retail values. We're not going to peek at this until the end of the video. Since this box is $25, I think the retail value is $100 or more, something along those lines. I'm actually excited right away off the top here. I see from Pearlie's, this is the Ageless Glow BB Serum SPF 40. I need something like this. I have been using the Pearlie's like 4-in-1 BB cream. And I like it. I mean, I don't love it, but this looks like I like it. It has bakuchiol, collagen, and vitamin C. So the bakuchiol, if you're not familiar, is a retinol alternative. You can use retinol, you can't use in the sun. Bakuchiol you can, which is really nice. I'm actually excited. And it's a glow, so it's gonna have, there it is. I just wanna, my nails here. Oh, it's very, it has a nice clean, like it doesn't have a fragrance, but it has like a clean, I don't know how I feel about that yet. The other one I know, the other one like this that I have, it's in a brown container. I think we probably got it in a BoxyCharm. It does go on and it has kind of like a cast right away, but then as you wear it, kind of melts into your skin, which I really like. But those products are scary because you put them on, you're like, and then you kind of see. So we'll see as the video goes along if I remember, because, you know. All right, next up we have from Kate Somerville. This is the Exfoliate Moisturizer. I actually can't use this. I know this is like a cult favorite. This has lactic acid and hyaluronic acid. So this is a no for me, dog. I will pass this off to a friend. It's just not going to happen. But I know it is a beloved product. I have rosacea. I can't use it. So anyway, yeah, sorry. It is still nice to receive. Like, I'm not going to lie. You can save those things and give them out for Christmas presents. All right. I never think people are interested in my stuff. And then sometimes, like, somebody will be like, why didn't, like, I'll be in, like, a Secret Santa or something. And they'll be like, oh, you didn't give me any of your beauty items. I'm like, I didn't know you would want that kind of stuff. Like, I don't know. All right. Next up, this is Clara's New York. That brand is new to me. This is their Serum plus vitamin E retinol serum, stimulating targeted treatment, luminous complexion for all skin types. This I will definitely use. Retinol adaptogens, which means like natural things that come from the earth that work with your skin. Arginine help improve overall skin texture, protect the skin from free radicals, and moisturize the skin. Use daily for brighter and younger looking skin. I have also found though that a lot of these oils are just that. They're like oils. I mean, this is serum, so it might not be an oil, but they'll say that and then you're like, this is just an oil, and maybe they put a little dot of whatever the other thing is. That's something I'm learning too with the face oils. Unless you really look at the ingredients and see where it falls on the list, the higher it is, you know, the more is in there. So just putting that out there. All right, next up in this box is Clean Skin Club's Pineapple Glow Mist, another item. I swear, now that I know I can't use hyaluronic acid, it's in everything. This is the hyaluronic acid, peptides, and antioxidants. This sounds amazing. The new step 2 of your routine, use directly after cleansing, mist onto clean, dry skin, AM and PM before serums, moisturizers, and SPF. Pro tip, spritz 3 to 4 pumps of pineapple glow mist onto your clean towel before patting your face dry for a nourishing and refreshing finish. Now I will say the hyaluronic acid is in the center, so maybe I could try it. I kind of want to, like, I kind of want to smell it, but I'm afraid, like, oh, it's so pretty. Look at how beautiful. I love it. Look at the pump, is so pretty too. I love it. Woe is me. This skin of mine. Life could be way worse. I'm not complaining. Like, of all the things that could happen in your skin, this is not going, you know, it just is a bummer. That's all. It's just an inconvenience. That's it. I'm not complaining. Not complaining. All right. Finally, we have the All Night Bender Black Extreme Lash Mascara. I am not going to open this. We actually received a whole set from this company of the they were like glitter eye crayons, I want to say. I actually gave them to my daughter. I wasn't into them personally. I didn't think they were really cool. But anyway, that's regardless. I will try this out eventually. Not yet, because I have like 3 mascaras open. I don't use it. Like, I don't go in a lot with mascara. So like, it takes me a really long time to use it. I never feel like I ever finish them. They always dry out before. All right. So anyway, for the $25 spend, you get the full-size mascara. These are all full-size. The full-size Clara's Serum Vitamin E RT. The full-size Perlice Ageless Glow Serum. The Exfoliate, which I believe is also full size. It's a little smaller than other products I've received from Kate Somerville, but still large. And then finally, the Clean Skin Club's Pineapple Glow Mist, which I'm very depressed has hyaluronic acid. All right, let's go over the values. So the Kate Somerville is $70. The Perlice is $38. The Clean Skin Club is $38. The Clara's New York is $24.99, which is really inexpensive. That's actually really great. Rockins Cosmetics All Night Bender Mascara is $29. So this is a really high value box. Every single product in here is worth either the cost of the box or more. In fact, almost all of them are worth more. The only one is the retinol face serum is $25. So there's that. That's pretty amazing. Anyway, I think this is a great box. This is a great month from Boxy. I'm really impressed. I'm sorry that I did it a little late here, but hoping next month we can be on time. Anyway, as always, I will link down below to Boxy with my referral link. I'll also link to my full review. I do pay for this subscription, just in case you were wondering. As always, thank you guys so, that's good. So much for watching. I'll see you next time.